Okay, so this is Pedro and Alaska Silva. We'll target the street in a moment, but this kind of goes down to Sao Domingos and Sao Paulo. So so that would go all the way down that way. But we're gonna. The lights just came on. Hello, how are you? So we are gonna head down that way. So stay tuned for that. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so we're gonna go down our Target Street. It's really crowded today. So many people everywhere today. So it's kind of interesting as far as filming goes. The lights just came on as well. We got some beautiful architecture over that way. Usually when I film it, I go down to that little circle down there. But today I'm just gonna go down this way. It's gonna follow the black and white tiled street, and we're going to try to capture some of the architecture. Actually, I wasn't gonna film this street, but the lights just came on, so it's so I kind of felt like it's a good moment to capture it. So this one is I think it's called Pedro and Alaska de Silva, something like that. We're gonna find out in a minute. There's also all these little side streets down here, and this there's a theater coming up. Some nice cool stuff down here. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do Travessa dos Anjos because I need to go that direction anyways. And Travessa dos Anjos is right here. So this is our Target Street right there, Travessa dos Anjos. So it's just a nice little alley, lots of people everywhere. We're gonna head on down it and kind of show you what it looks like. And it goes out to Rua do Campo. So that's gonna be our focus. And I'm just gonna walk out. So the context of it was we started near the Portuguese bookstore. Let me walk. It's so crowded today. So many people. So we started down that way, all the way down to that yellow building down that way. This Capitol Cinema right here, they're gonna have a bunch of short films coming up December 5, I think. I saw something for that. This one goes down to the Portuguese consulate, all the way down. But we're going to go down this little crowd of people down Travessa dos Anjos and just kind of show you what it looks like. Got lots of little places to get something to drink and eat as well in this area. And just kind of highlight some of these businesses. So there's Warning. I think that's like a beef al palo restaurant. Beef intestines. That one is tasty. Strawberry and hazel. That's kind of interesting. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And we're gonna go all the way down here. We got lots of people everywhere. Lots of people down that way as well. Huh. This is Donor Istanbul. They got chicken wraps. They have beef burgers as well. I guess those are popular. And they got kebab, of course, which is the main draw, Donor kebab. Okay, so we're gonna keep on heading down. Phone shop there. Okay. And then yeah, this little Teatro Cinema, we're just gonna walk in it for a second. But they're gonna have a short film festival in here coming up very soon in December. So I hope I can catch a little bit of it. But way up at the top, there's a old cinema that I thought was no longer in service anymore, but I guess it is. Okay, so that's part of our alley down that way. That goes down to Pedro and Alaska Silva Street, and then this alley meanders down like this, and you got more cool stuff. We got our black and white tiles. Travessa dos Anjos. This is really popular all day today. I walked by here earlier today and it was so popular as well. So I guess they just sell, I don't know what they sell. All these little snacks, waffles. So I guess it's really popular here. Let me just kind of show you how popular it is, because we have people just kind of, yeah, they're coming up, they're doing Instagram photos here too. So I guess they'll get their the waffle and then they'll come over here and do Instagram, as you can see. So pretty cool. Okay, let's walk on down. Travessa dos Anjos. And then there's these little alleys in here too, little Beco dos Anjos. So this is just a tiny little alley. Has ufufu, which is I think they have pizza, seafood, Japanese beer. I think it's maybe Japan focused, I think. And we'll come back down this way. It smells really good right here. Oh, this one has, this is a popcorn right here. They sell all kinds of fresh popcorn, so that's what that smell is. Okay, let's head down this way. Zododo tea. It's beef. That's beef intestines. It's really popular, especially among tourists. Okay, this is kind of a short street, so we're almost at the end of it already. So we'll continue to capture the feeling of the street, Travessa dos Anjos, and I think we're going to go on out to Rua do Campo, and we're going to go into the main street as well, and just try to give you a little bit of context. So you saw a little bit of the other street before we came in. You got to see this one, and it comes out to this Rua do Campo. So this Rua do Campo is kind of a major street that people will use, and they'll go through it. And this street is, I think Campo is like fields, so like Field Street. And originally when Macau was young, or Portuguese, this was a street that just went out into the fields. It was like you were coming out of the city and just going out into the Chinese territories, kind of thing. So this is that street, Rua do Campo. And then way down there you can see the casinos, Grand Lisboa, MGM. So the casinos are down that way on the Macau side. There's more on the Taipa side. That's our focus down that way, Travessa dos Anjos. That's our focus street. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into this street. And now we're kind of where the buses are coming, McDonald's, and we're going to go up to that overpass. We'll see if we can get over there. Okay. I'm just going to come over like this. We're going to just get in here and then we're going to film at the top. So we just came out of that little well-lit alley right there. That was Travessa dos Anjos. To give you a little context, we just came up over this overpass, and then this is all Field Street. So if you look down, you can see the street just goes basically northern direction. Oh, there's construction right there. That was where the bus stop was at. Anyways, let's go back this way. And that would be our ending spot right there. So that's Rua do Campo. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.